My name is Dakota Shane. I'm a personal trainer, and this is Downtown Books and Cookies, an idea that kind of formulated about 3 months ago, and with the help of the people, friends that I'm working with, it's became a reality. I got the concept because I was looking for opportunities to read to children here in Grand Rapids, and there really wasn't much. So then I got to thinking deeper, and I wanted to involve local business, kind of give them a platform to promote their products. So that's kind of how the whole event kind of came together. Definitely wanted to have it wellness-based. That's why it was really important to have vegan products served versus refined sugar and stuff like that. So literacy, wellness, urbanization, wanted to give these kids a memorable downtown experience. Literacy rates across the country are just, so poor, and they're getting worse at a rapid rate. Internet right now is kind of, absorbing our children, and it's just key that we have storytelling time. I know for myself, it was important when I was a kid, and I think parents are stepping away from that, from storytelling time. Check out our website, booksandcookiesgr.com. That's books, A-N-D, cookiesgr.com. You can follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. I just really appreciate the support. Everybody is chipping in and doing their part. We got a great venue, partnering with some great businesses, have a great team, talented creatives behind it. We capture it, promote it. And now it's going to happen. This is the first event of many to come. I think it's important that we show our youth that downtown is safe and well.